Guys, I don't think this was a good day to buy ice cream. As you can see, it's a rainy day today. It's much darker in real life than on the phone. But this is a rainy day for ice cream. As I went in, it was not raining. When I came out, it was so freaking rainy. Sorry for the words, but so much rainy. Like, what the heck? Not gonna lie, on my birthday, I'm getting Trek Mile 5. Yeah, it's 27.5 inch wheels. Look at this shit. So yeah, but I'm Dudes behind bars, MTB, and I'm out. Peace.